The 1988 Pontiac Fiero holds a special place in automotive history, as the first rear mid-engine car produced in mass quantities by an American manufacturer. Manufactured by Pontiac from 1984 to 1988, the Fiero was a lightweight rear mid-engine sports car designed to appeal to a broad market. It marked Pontiac's return to the two-seater format, their first since producing coupes between 1926 and 1938. One of the key features of the Fiero was its innovative use of non-load-bearing composite body panels, which contributed to its lightweight design. In addition to this, the car offered fuel-efficient engine options to meet America's corporate average fuel economy, CAFE standards. The Fiero used General Motors' 2.5-liter 151 cubic inch Iron Duke engine, which delivered impressive fuel efficiency, up to 37 miles per gallon in the city and 50 on the highway. However, the 3-speed automatic transmission reduced highway mileage to 38 miles per gallon. The Fiero was a notable success for Pontiac, and its significance was underscored when the Fiero 2 M4, the two-seat mid-engine 4-cylinder model, was selected as the official pace car for the 1984 Indianapolis 500, and over its 5-year production run, a total of 370,168 Fieros were manufactured. Despite positive reviews for its handling and overall design, the Fiero faced criticism for not fully living up to the performance expectations that the mid-engine layout suggested. The Fiero, however, proved popular and sold well, leading Pontiac to operate 3 shifts at the factory in 1984 to meet high demand. The oil crisis of the early 1980s initially kept demand for performance cars in check, but as fuel prices eased by 1985, customers began to request more power and improved performance. In response, Pontiac introduced the Fiero GT, a more powerful version of the car. The GT model featured a 2.7-liter V6 engine, providing an additional 43 horsepower over the base 4-cylinder, as well as upgraded suspension components, wider tires, and improved handling. Among Fiero enthusiasts, the 1988 model is widely regarded as the best version of the car. This final year of production introduced significant upgrades, including a redesigned suspension system that drew from the expertise of Lotus, a company in which General Motors had acquired a 91% stake in 1986. The new suspension design improved handling, and the use of staggered wheels, 15x6 in front and 15x7 inch in the rear, further balanced the car's performance. The 1988 Fiero also featured new vented disc brakes at all 4 corners, addressing earlier braking complaints. Additionally, power steering, a feature not available in previous years, was introduced for the first and only time in 1988. The 4-cylinder engine in the 1988 Fiero was refined with a balanced shaft and an in-pan oil filter element, contributing to smoother operation. Pontiac also introduced a new formula option for 1988, offering many of the GT's features, including the WS6 suspension, a rear spoiler, and a 120 miles per hour speedometer, but with the standard coupe body style. However, the Fiero's reputation was tarnished by safety concerns, particularly in the early years of production. By the summer of 1987, a rising number of fires in 1984 models prompted investigations. Initially, the fires were thought to be caused by antifreeze leaking from poorly installed hoses. However, the true cause was identified as defective connecting rods in the engine. When engine oil levels were low, a connecting rod would break, causing oil to leak and ignite when it came into contact with the hot exhaust manifold. The end of production for the Fiero came in 1988, with the final model rolling off the assembly line in Pontiac, Michigan on August 16 of that year. It was also the only year the Fiero was offered in a yellow exterior color, adding to the car's appeal. The Fiero's introduction in 1984 played a pivotal role in reshaping Pontiac's image, positioning the brand as an innovator in automotive design. It showcased cutting-edge features such as the use of composite materials, and a space frame chassis with a separate body shell made of SMC, sheet mold composite. Though production was brief, the Fiero left a lasting impact on the automotive industry, influencing future designs and earning a loyal following of enthusiasts. Thank you for watching.